Hello. This is 22nd of August. This will be my trade recap. I'm using a different monitor, so hopefully it'll be more like seeable. I think my other monitor is a little zoomed in. So I'm gonna start by marking out opens, like always. So we have opens here. We have Asia highs. I'm gonna do this so I can. Oh wait, I don't have one over here though. Top right. Templates. No. Ah! Text. Black. The line needs to be red. Oh my goodness. I'm not very good at this. Top right. Save as. Asia highs. Save. Okay. Asia highs. London highs. We have London lows. So London session basically consolidated. It did take out Asia lows, and we're reversing towards London highs. Look on the 1 hour. We have those 1 hour highs. These 1 hour highs just got swept. We have these 1 hour lows. 1 hour low. 1 hour low. These 1 hour highs. These 1 hour highs. You're just consolidating through, basically. Those 4 hour highs, 4 hour lows that got swept. We tapped into this fair value gap right here. Respected it. I think we're gonna go higher. Because after these have been swept. Don't know why those. Okay. So this is the NASDAQ. My setup for the NASDAQ. I would like to see London lows get swept. That 1 hour low gets swept. And then maybe tap into this as well, which we would if we tap if we take out those lows, but maybe tap in there, go higher on ES. We have a bullish S&T. We're going to have one. How do I do this now that I have it saved? Template. Oh, I didn't save it. Ah. Okay. Let me just make a new one. Text. Asia lows. Template, save as Asia lows. Save. Okay, so Asia lows, we're gonna have an S&T because we did get out on the NASDAQ. Asia highs got they didn't either. I was gonna say they got swept, but they didn't. How do I do this? How did I just do that? Asia highs. Oh, okay, there we go. London highs. I need to make a London low. That I did. London lows. Okay. So, not array. Trend line. No. Goodness gracious. There. And that low to that low. From Asia lows to London lows, and then these would be Asia lows that got swept from Asia lows down to London lows. So we have a bullish S&T. So we really could be just looking for a 5-minute retrace on NASDAQ since it already took it out, and it is the ES is the leading index, I'm sorry. Could come down, sweep out these low resistance liquidities, and then go higher. Because we already made the move pre-market pretty much. Or not pre-market, but off of this S&T. Trying to mark stuff out better. Oh, did he make a 1 hour high? 1 hour high. Template, save as 1 hour high. Save. That side's got swept. It's not a high. Get those lows. These lows probably won't get hit. On the 4 hour, get this 4 hour high. This 4 hour high. Oh shoot. This 4 hour lows. Okay. So, probably want to take trades on ES since it's the leading index off this S&T. But I really don't think that it's gonna it's gonna open at 9:30 and then dump down here, and then like I just don't think it's gonna be that like volatile, that much volume. But I do think we might get a retrace back down into this order block, or maybe that might tap into equilibrium. Might come down into there. But let's see what happens. Okay, so at 9:30, right when market opens, we take out London lows, and on NASDAQ, we take out London lows and these 1 hour lows. So I think these are the lows that ES or NASDAQ took out. Tuesday 21st at 10:25. It's right here. No. It's right here. So yeah. So we made another bullish S&T off of those lows up to those lows, and on NASDAQ right here, these lows down to these lows. So I would have a really strong bias on ES. I mean, we have two bullish S&Ts on ES, telling us that it probably wants to go higher. So we're gonna wait until the macro starts, maybe. See what happens off of that. So we immediately get a little bit of upward movement, and it's straight sideways. And then goes down. So we actually tapped. We respected this 5-minute bearish fair value. I'm still bullish, but we might have just faked out the people trying to go long off of these sweep. And then stopping them out after they put their stops under their lows here. Oh my goodness, my dog is going crazy. But it is 10:15, so I wouldn't want to be in the market for too much longer. Nothing else if we don't get anything. So yeah, we just dumped down. And it's what time is it? It's 10:40. NASDAQ's still dumping down. Yeah, at 10:40, I mean, that's really late, so I probably just wouldn't have taken a trade, to be honest. I wanted to be long. We didn't. Hold on. Thought we made a bearish SP. We didn't really like make any moves to like tell us to go lower today. That I see. I could be wrong, but I mean, we didn't really do anything. Goodness gracious. The dog's going nuts. I just didn't see anything that would make me think, okay, we're gonna go lower. It's 9:15 to 9:50. 9:15. So we did make a bearish S&T. That's what I was trying to find. From these highs to these highs, and then these highs down to these highs. But like a 5-minute bearish SMT off of these high time frame SMTs is just like, obviously you want to trust the higher time frame, but I mean, unless you're crazy, like, because obviously market opens, we break structure to the downside, and then like, here, I'll see what. So we like break structure off this candle, and then we, oh shoot, hold on, if I can use my mouse correctly. Oh, we tap into this order block, and then we go lower, like, but like there was no big liquidity sweep, you know, like there was no 1 hour highs that got hit, no London highs, nothing got hit. It was just like a internal, I guess you could call it like an internal like break structure, like, but it's just nothing I would, you could have caught the move, but I would rather not have taken that trade. I probably wouldn't have taken that trade, but yeah.